You licking Haley?
The most highly
Yep,
recommended.
he knows where the food is. Junior, stop.
Oh, I'm taking a picture now, Tom.
He's like, what is going on with this crazy dog?
What's that Junior doing to you, Hales? Hales, what's Junior doing to you? She is coming back for more.
I think she's done.
Screamed.
Oh, too funny.
Oops.
Oops.
Haley,
There's another mark.
Haley, did you hurt the door?
There's
No,
another
didn't hurt
mark.
her head.
Junior.
What has got into him with this shit?
I don't know, he keeps looking at her.
He's never done this before.
Yeah, he always licks people's faces.
Yeah, but not like this. I mean, he's just into her.
Oh, he's never even done this. Now, I think she pooped or something because Junior's sniffing it out.
Sniffing it out.
Okay, well.